Hello student, today we will learn English language study chapter 3. The same word used as a different part of speech. The meaning of a word in this sentence determine to what part of speech that word belongs to. The same word may be sometimes one part of speech, sometimes another. See, this part of speech we have learned in 6th standard also. There are around 8 part of speech. Noun is there, pronoun is there, verb, adverb, adjective, conjunction, interjection. So same thing is here also. Look at the following example to understand the concept. There is no place to put this bag. So here, place is what? A noun. Noun is the name of a person, place, animal or thing. So here there is no place to put this bag. So place is what? A noun. You can place the bag under the chair. Now spellings are same, the pronunciation is also same. But in this sentence what is tell? You can place the bag under the chair. So here the place is what? This is verb. So one word is having two different kind of meaning, types of meaning. This is a fast train to Churchgate. Fast train to Churchgate. Fast is what? Adjective. Walk fast or you will miss the train. Now walk fast. Here fast is what? Adverb. So here this is a fast train to Churchgate. Here it means this fast is what? Adjective. And in the second sentence, walk fast or you'll miss the train. Here it is, the fast is what? The adverb. He became a rich businessman within a year's time. Within a year's time. Now he became a rich man, businessman. Now here rich is what? Adjective. Now let's see. The rich and the poor live in this city. Now here the rich is what? Noun. See, both spellings are same, pronunciation is also same. But when it is used in different type of sentence, their meaning, their part of speech change here. Clear the passageway for the entrant. Now here clear what? A verb. Because it is showing some action. The second picture is not a clear one. Now here this clear is what? Adjective, because it is showing about the adjective of quality here. Means the picture is not clear one. So both have different meanings in their sentence. You may come in. You may put the bag in the, you may put the book in the bag. Now you may come in. In here is what? Adverb. But in the second sentence, you may put the bag, you may put the book in the bag. Now here in is what? Preposition. So is it clear? When one word is used in different sentences, their part of speech also changes. Sometimes it is noun, sometimes it is adverb, then adjective, then verb, like that it will be. Now, this you have to write in your notebook, whole thing. Now this exercise, those who have book, you write down in your workbook, otherwise copy in your notebook. Now this is the homework. Frame 2 sentences of your own with each of the following word given below, using the same word as a noun and as a verb separately. From textbook, page number 78. Now, if you have textbook, then page number 78 you take out and try to write the sentence here. Now here, the first one is given change, noun, then verb. So whatever sentence come here, that you have to write in this column. The first line, noun part of speech, by using this word. Then verb part of speech, you have to write the sentence. Second one is show, then is throw, then is return, benefit. Each of the following words can be used as a noun as well as a verb. Frame suitable sentence of your own to bring out this difference. Advice. Now in this sentence, each of the following word can be used as a noun as well as a verb. Frame suitable sentence of your own to bring out their meaning. So in that example we have seen, no, like that only you have to frame this sentence with this verb, with these words. Advice, answer, balance, camp, comment, concern, control, count, cure, device, dream, escape. Now here dream. Your dream is that you want to buy a new car. When I sleep, I dream. Like that also you can frame this. Very simple sentence you have to frame here, not more difficult. Experiment, face, figure, flock, focus, force, function, gift, glance, guide, help, hope, launch, note, offer, oil, pain, pay, plan, play, point, powder, practice, request, research, rest, ruin, scream, step, stretch, taste, turn, visit, waste, watch, wish, wonder, last is work, WORK, work it is. So this is your homework. Make sentence on your own and do all the homework properly and send it on my mobile number. Thank you so much. Have a good day.